Ending a relationship with an existing software development partner, for whatever reason, can be tricky and the transition rocky. But there are things you can do to make the process go more smoothly. Most importantly, you want to secure and take control of your assets. By assets, I mean the entire ecosystem of your custom application. So not just the code, but all the licenses, keys, databases, and hosting. The functionality of your application depends on these tools, and the last thing you want is your app going offline unexpectedly, or your new vendor not having everything they need to take over. Make sure all the source code is either in your own repository or that you have copies of it. In fact, the source code should be your intellectual property as per your vendor contract. You can request that the previous vendor transfer ownership of all licenses to you, or you can create new user accounts to replace theirs. Consider where your app is hosted and move it if necessary. The easiest thing to do is to host your applications in the Azure cloud under your own tenancy. Taking control of your assets protects you and gives your new vendor everything they need to hit the ground running. You also want to go into this new relationship with a positive mindset. Start out from a position of trust and honesty. You've taken the time to select the right partner, so trust their team. They're experts at what they do, and their goal is to find solutions to your problems. On that note, be open-minded to fresh perspectives and be prepared for some surprises. While the new team will do their best to work with what you've got, after doing a deep dive into your application, they may suggest some major upgrades to be able to meet your needs. Be prepared to invest to get exactly what you want. Cutting corners will cause frustration and cost more in the long run. You can prioritize your investments by focusing on foundational work first, like updating the architecture. While the transition may seem daunting, changing to a software development partner who is a better fit for your business will pay off in the long run.